Okay students, now discuss geometric progression. This is the first video of geometric progression. What is the difference between AP and GP? Suppose difference between AP and GP, this is AP and this is GP. In AP is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. That means common difference equals to 4 minus 2 equals to 2. But in this case, in geometric progression, there is no common difference. That means 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. In this case, common ratio, and common ratio means second term divided by first term. 4 upon 2 equals to 2, 8 upon 4 again 2, 16 upon 8 again 2. These are same. That means in this case common ratio, or in this one b minus a. This is the first main difference. Is it clear? Okay. Now discuss another point. This point is clear? Okay, now discuss some formulas. First formula is R. R means common ratio, and this common ratio equals to second term upon first term. This one means common ratio. Next is nth term. A r raised to the power of n minus 1. This is the nth term. Third is Sn. A r raised to the power of n minus 1, r minus 1. This one r is greater than to 1, or a 1 minus r upon n, 1 minus r. This is r is less than to 1. Fourth formula. In this case, this is the r, a raised to the power of n, Sn, this one. Okay. Now, selection of terms in case of GP. First, if A, B, C are in GP, that means B upon A equals to C upon B. This is the point. If you use cross multiplication, B squared equals to AC. Next case. For three terms. For three terms, there are two methods. One is A, AR and AR square. Other way is A, AR and A upon R. Second case. For four terms. In this case, common ratio be R. Four terms A, AR, AR square, AR cube. But other way, A, AR, A upon R, AR cube, A upon R cube. This common ratio, if बेटा सेकंड नंबर को फर्स्ट से डिवाइड करोगे तो r स्क्वायर आएगा, इसको डिवाइड करोगे r स्क्वायर आएगा. इसमें जो कॉमन डिफरेंस का रेशियो होगा वो r स्क्वायर होगा. इज इट क्लियर? Okay, now fifth point, nth term from n, L equals to, this is written as L equals to 1 upon r raised to the power of n minus 1. The next point, in case of geometric mean, in case of geometric mean, first point, A geometric mean and B. That means geometric mean equals to root of AB. Next case, if A and B are given number and n geometric mean inserted between these, then find the method of G. First of all, calculate the value of R. R is B upon A raised to the power of 1 upon n plus 1. Now, G1 is AR, G2 AR square, G3 AR cube. Similarly, Gn AR की power n. Is it clear? Okay. Now discuss the questions. Example number 9, page 187. Find the 10th and nth term of GP. 10th and nth term of GP is 5, 25, 125 and so on. First of all, what is the value of A? A is 5. What is the value of common ratio? Second term upon first term is the common ratio. 10th term, AN. AR raised to the power of n minus 1. This is A10. AR की power 10 minus 1. A means 5. R means 5 की power 9. This is 5 raised to the power of 10 is the answer. Next, nth term. A is 5. R is 5 raised to the power of n minus 1. That means 5 raised to the power of n is the answer. This is example number 9. Okay, now discuss 10th example. Example number 10. 2a32 up to n terms is 131072. Find the number of terms. An equals to AR raised to the power of n minus 1. An is given 131072. A is 2. R is 4 raised to the power of n minus 1. First of all, this is divided by 2. 2 5s are 10 or 2 6s are 12. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 2 6s. And this is 4 raised to the power of n upon 4 raised to the power of minus 1. This minus 1 means 6 5 3 6 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of n. This 6 5 5 3 6 4 से ही डिवाइड करिए. 4 is 4, 2 4 6 is 24, 15, 4 3 is 12, 3 33, 4 7 is 28, 4 8 is 32, 4 4 is 60, 4 4 is 0, 4 9 is 36, 4 6 is 24, 1 0, 4 2 is 8, 4 4 is 16, 4 2 is 8, 0 4 6 is 24. No, 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 20, 1 carry, 24 6 is 24, 4 6 is 24, 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4 6 is and 4 4 is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. On 9, 4 की power 9 equals to 4 की power n. n equals to 9 is the answer. Is it clear?
कितने मिनट और बैठे